Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to temporarily fix a starter inside basically any old third gen. So in my case, it's my kit replica. So a couple of weeks ago, I noticed whenever I wanted to start the car, so there was first of all the starter was moving a little bit and was very weak, and then it had not enough power to start the car actually. So I tried again, and I thought maybe the battery is dead, so I bought a new battery, but that didn't solve the issue at all. So then from time as time went on, it got more worse. The starter didn't react at all. So if you turned the ignition, you didn't have any sound, not a click, nothing at all. So you hear the fuel pump and other stuff, but no crank at all, nothing like that. So I went online and I found a few forum posts which they told you should replace the starter. So it might be the first starter still inside of my car. So they last a long time, but my kit is an 88, so I think the time, if it's the first starter, time of the starter is over. So basically I ordered a new one, but I just wanted to show you quickly what you can do to temporarily fix the issue, because yeah, maybe you don't have the space to lift the car up inside the garage, or maybe you have maybe it's just not the right time to do it, so you have to drive to another place to do it. So I jacked the car up so I can show you what to do actually. So we go underneath kit now. So basically just slide under that car, so you have the starter right over here, and it's pretty easy trick actually. So you just take one of these boys and just hit the starter with the hammer a few times. So don't be shy, it might be really badly stuck inside, so just don't go easy on it and hammer on it, and you should be good to go. I do it a couple times more. I did it before, so I'm just showing you what to do actually. So let's go, just to show you that it actually works. I hope it works again. So I'm not very familiar with starter things like cars, so I was very happy to get this kind of advice. So let's try start it. You see, fires right up, but you do hear some weird noise coming from the starter if you crank it. So there is an issue. I just turn it off. There is an issue with the starter, so it's just a temporary fix. The spare part is already on its way, so I just wanted to make a quick video about that. So there are tons of video on YouTube how to replace that stuff. I link you a video down in the description, so you can go and check that out if you want to know how to do it. Maybe I do a video as well if I exchange it, but right now I'm just happy the kit starts again. I know that the power system and everything is okay, so it's time for me to get the broken starter out of the car and then wait for the replacement. and put it back in, and we should be good to go for many years to come. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask and write them in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.